Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the home screen and entering the phone's edit mode. That lets you change wallpaper elements without delay. Once done, long press an empty area to reveal icons, widgets, and launcher settings. This is where app affixed items live. Make sure you've noted your current layout or taken a quick screenshot so you can restore positions if needed. Now you're ready to target specific app icons, widgets, or persistent shortcuts anchored to the wallpaper. Next, remove the visible elements. Tap and hold an app icon, then drag it to the remove, delete, or unpin target that appears. This detaches it from the wallpaper without uninstalling the app. For widgets, use their edit handles or the minus icon to delete them. Widgets often anchor themselves differently, so remove fully. If an icon keeps returning, go into the launcher or home app settings and turn off persistent shortcuts or suggestions. Doing this prevents automatic replacement and keeps your wallpaper clean. Finally, make the changes permanent by restarting the launcher or rebooting the device. This forces the home screen to re-render and confirms the icons are gone. If an icon reappears, clear the launcher's cache or data in system settings, then recheck layout backups. Make sure themes, icon packs, or backup apps aren't restoring positions automatically. As a troubleshooting tip, switch to another launcher briefly to verify whether the issue is launcher-specific. If it disappears there, adjust or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.